in a while. I'm trying to talk louder because my friends checked out my channel and they could not hear me whatsoever. Two people out there, thank you. 2 subs. Hopefully I'll check out if you leave any uploads. Not like videos, just like uploads in the comment section. I will go check those out because I don't have the thing I'm recording on right now. I cannot check it out because I have a PlayStation instead of like an iPad or a phone or something. So I just want to give you guys that I'm not studying YouTube. I don't always get the iPad. I just want to tell you guys that. So yeah, it's a like and subscribe now if you haven't. You don't need to, but if you want to, please do. Yeah, I don't know why I do this, but yeah.